are you all doing? How are you doing? Are you popping? Your girl is back. Yes, I'm back. I'm gonna be coming here more often, guys. I am back, and today is another wig slay day. Today I'll be installing my hair from You Pretty Hair. Look at that. You Pretty Hair. So the wig I'm gonna be installing today is from You Pretty Hair. As you guys know, any hair I review on this channel, the link is always under this video. So if you open the description box, you're gonna see the link to You Pretty Hair. Okay, you guys, let's get into You Pretty Hair. Let's get into the hair. Okay, let me show you guys the unboxing first, then we're gonna be back. Okay, so this is You Pretty Hair. When it came, I looked at the hair and it was so beautiful. Like, look at this hair. Okay, I love the packaging. First of all, the packaging is nice. They have a lot of goodies inside the package. They have a lot, like accessories. Okay, they have a lot of accessories, comb, wig cap, and all of that kind of stuff, you know, that you can use to slay your hair. Okay, so yeah, the unboxing, the packaging, everything is nice. Then the hair, let's get into the hair. The hair is so beautiful. It's a beautiful red burgundy hair, so beautiful, feels so nice. Guys, I think I'm gonna wear this hair in the middle part. Okay, so I'm gonna slay this wig in the middle part. So this is You Pretty Hair ready to install. So you guys, thank you so much for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for the love. You guys, I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate your comment, I appreciate your love, your like, everything. I appreciate you guys. Please always share my video with your family and friends. Okay, please share my videos, please like, comment, and tell me I'm popping, because I know you're popping. Yes, you are popping, you are popping. So as you can tell, I've already applied foundation on the lace. Okay, so it blends with my hair. So now I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see. Woo, let's do that. Guys, as you can tell, my wig from You Pretty Hair is popping, slaying, popping, and cute. Like, I love that. Let's see this one. Like, look, it's so beautiful. Wow. Red hair is bae. Not red, but burgundy. I love it. Clip them away so we can deal with the front. Okay, let's clip them away so we can deal with the installation. So we can deal with the installation. Oh my god, guys, this color is already pretty on me. I cannot wait to finish installing this hair. Okay, let's do the middle before we do the side. Ooh. So let's glue the wig down now. Let's take a minute and appreciate this melt. Like, this lace is beautiful. I love the lace already. Like, look at that melt. Beautiful. So we're gonna cut the side. Swap. Cut. Ooh. Take a good look at this install. I am popping. Nobody can tell me nothing. Hair is installed. Wow, I love this lace. The way the lace is melting, guys, it's amazing. It's amazing. Like, the melt, I love it. You guys, yeah, this hair is beautiful as a straight hair, okay? But I want to tongue it to give it something. Yeah, so it's like a loose, coy, you know, kind of vibe. Nothing serious, nothing serious. Oh, I think I need to do this one again, because this is high and this one is not high. You get what I mean? It needs to be the same. One cannot be higher than the other. They got to be the same. Oops, you guys, can you see? Can you see my frontal is popping? That's my hair done. My hair done. Hair is laid. I'm slaying, I'm popping, I'm looking cute, okay? This is the end of today's video. I really love this hair. I love everything about this hair. This wig is from You Pretty Hair. It's so beautiful. Beautiful lace. I love the lace. Beautiful, lovely melt. Beautiful hair, beautiful texture. I love the fact that it's flowing really well, you know, and I love the length as well. You guys, I love reading your comments. Please let me know what you think about this You Pretty wig. So beautiful. Oh my God, I'm feeling myself. Bye guys.